Introduction to the pomegranate production process in a factory. As early morning sunlight stretches across pomegranate orchards heavy with fruit, the journey of a ripe pomegranate begins, quietly yet with precision. Beneath the thick outer rind lie hundreds of ruby-red arils, rich in juice and nutrients. Preserving this natural value requires a closed, carefully controlled production process, where every stage is monitored from the orchard to the modern factory. Scene 1. Pomegranate harvesting. In the orchards, pomegranates are harvested at optimal physiological maturity when rind color is uniform and arils inside are fully developed. Workers use hand clippers to cut the stem cleanly, preventing cracks in the rind. Qualified fruit is gently placed into ventilated harvest crates to minimize impact. Scene 2. Preliminary sorting at the orchard. Immediately after harvest, pomegranates undergo preliminary sorting. Fruit that is cracked, bruised, undersized, or overmature is separated. This step reduces transport losses and improves the quality of raw material entering the factory. Scene 3. Post-harvest cooling. Pomegranates are transferred to rapid cooling areas to lower temperature and slow respiration and oxidation. This step helps preserve color, juiciness, and extends holding time before processing. Scene 4. Packing and transportation. After cooling, pomegranates are packed into specialized containers and transported in temperature-controlled trucks. The cold chain is maintained continuously from orchard to processing facility. Scene 5. Raw material receiving at the factory. At the factory, incoming pomegranates are received, weighed, and logged for traceability. Technical staff perform a quick visual inspection before the fruit enters the processing line. Scene 6. Washing and cleaning. Pomegranates move onto stainless steel conveyor belts and enter automated washing systems. Clean water sprays combined with gentle rolling action remove soil, dust, and surface contaminants from the thick rind. Scene 7. Automated sorting. After washing, pomegranates pass through automated sorting systems. Cameras and sensors evaluate size, shape, and external color. Off-spec fruit is automatically removed from the line. Scene 8. Manual quality inspection. At the end of the sorting line, workers conduct a final manual inspection, removing fruit with minor cracks or defects that machines may not detect. Scene 9. Production line separation. Pomegranates are directed according to final use: fresh packed fruit, aril separation, or processing into juice, concentrate, and other value-added products. Scene 10. Cutting and aril separation. For processing, pomegranates are mechanically cut open. Automated aril separation systems gently release the arils from the white membranes, minimizing aril breakage to prevent bitterness. Scene 11. Aril washing. Separated arils are washed with clean water to remove remaining membrane fragments and impurities. High-quality arils appear translucent, deep red, and plump, ready for further processing. Scene 12. Pressing or crushing, product dependent. For juice production, arils are gently pressed to extract juice. For puree or concentrate, arils are crushed under controlled temperature conditions to preserve flavor and color. Scene 13. Filtration and texture adjustment. Pomegranate juice or puree is filtered to remove fine solids and peel fragments. Viscosity and soluble solids are adjusted according to product specifications. Scene 14. Pasteurization. Pomegranate products undergo short-time pasteurization at precisely controlled temperatures. This step ensures microbiological safety while preserving the fruit's characteristic red color and fresh, tangy flavor. Scene 15. Aseptic packaging. Pomegranate juice, arils, or processed products are packaged in clean, controlled environments. Filling and sealing machines operate with high precision to ensure accurate volume and airtight closure. Scene 16. Labeling, final inspection, and storage. Finished products are labeled with production and expiration dates. Automated inspection systems remove non-conforming units. Approved products are transferred to chilled or frozen storage, ready for distribution. From ripe pomegranates hanging on orchard branches to carefully packaged products leaving the factory, the entire process reflects a balance between nature, careful human handling, and modern technology. It is not simply production, but a journey to preserve the vibrant color, sweet tart flavor, and natural essence of pomegranate, delivered intact to consumers.